Hi guys, today I will explain how to update Premiere Pro. This process is really simple and easy. The only thing is open the application, and if you open a project, then no need to worry, because without opening a project, the next method is same. But the only thing is, take a look on the left top. You will see a lot of options. And from these options, you can see the option of help. Just click on it. And on the second last number, you can find the option of updates. Just click on it. Now, wait for a while. And here, the first thing you have to do is you need to create the account on Adobe Creative Cloud. If you have already an account, then enter the email address and password. And also, you can sign in with the help of your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. And if you click on the option to view more, few more accounts will be available. And with the help of these accounts, you can create or sign into Adobe Creative Cloud. The next thing is, if you don't have any one of these, then scroll up, and here you can find the option of create an account. Just click on it and create your account. Once you will create your account on Adobe Creative Cloud, then you can simply update your Adobe without any problem. And it was the way by which you can update Adobe easily.